Welcome to Momo Cooking Channel. Let's boil delicious red dates mung beans soup today. This dessert is delicious. Let's start now. Red dates mung bean soup. Ingredients are mung beans, red dates, pandan leaves, and goji berries. Wash pandan leaves and tie a knot. Red dates, remove seeds and sliced it. Pour in all ingredients into Instant Pot. Then select Cook Bean button. After 30 minutes, beans have softened. Season by adding rock sugar portion to adjust for taste. It's done once rock sugar melted. Add goji berries when served. Red dates mung bean soup is done. Yummy, so easy and delicious. Share this recipe with your family also. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. See you in next video, yeah.